Good evening, friends. After a long time, I'm trying to make a video for you. Now, this video is on a very simple way of taking trades, and this is a basic setup of swing trades setup. So we will be only looking at it today, a very simple setup, which doesn't need a very high technical analysis or some kind of this thing is. We are going to use a swing trade setup today. Let me remove everything so that it's very clear to you, all of you. Now, what does swing trade means? Swing trade means that you buy a thing at a lower level and then sell it at a higher level so that you make a profit. So this is what is this moment we need to catch and to make profit into the stock market. So this is a very simple kind of a setup today I will be discussing with you all. I sometimes use it. I am more of a price action trader rather than being any kind of an indicator. Mastering price action takes a lot of time to everybody. It's not an easy thing. But if you persist with your learning efforts and setups, you will be successful one day. Let me be very clear to all of you. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Please do not take any of my statements as a buying or a selling recommendation. Please analyze yourself. Please discuss with your financial advisor before you take up any trades. So this today trade setup is a simple kind of a swing trade setup, what we are going to discuss. Now the time frame which we are going to use is 4 hours, and we are going to use a very simple indicator, that is an EMA, or with an interval of 50. The interval of 50. मतलब EMA 50 को हम use करेंगे 4 hour के chart पे. You can use it for anything. Please do not try to do it on an options, in options buying specifically, because if it goes against you, you may end up losing a lot of money. So let's go and see what we are going to see. This is a simple chart of Varun Beverages. This is the only stock which was in front of me when I started making. So we do and go and plot a moving average exponential. Default setting, it comes in TradingView as 9. So we will change this settings to 50, and we'll change the line color to yellow. And our time frame out here is 4 hours. Now let's discuss this stock very easily and what kind of return this would have given to us. 752, we would have entered the stock here. Exit at 919. Almost 752 to 9, here 945. Almost 200 rupees move, nearly 30%. Again an entry at 968, and we would have exited out here. The rules are very simple. Buy when candle closes above 50 EMA, exit when closes below it. This is the simple rule. I have already told you, I showed you. You buy here, you exit here, and you will make money. Now you had a buy here and you almost got cost to cost. You are just exited. Now let's see few stocks where we can do it. Do not take trades when you see a red candle. Take a trade when you see a green candle closing above it. Like this, green candle. This is an entry. This is an entry. This is not an entry. The candle, it opened, gap up, but closed. It's a red candle. Don't take trade on it. You need a green candle. Now let me show you some kind of stocks which I shortlisted for tomorrow. One is Ambuja Cement. We have a green candle which has closed over 50 EMA, and we can take a trade onto this. Another stock is Inox. Just a green candle has closed above the 50 EMA. So this becomes a good stock to buy. You exit if you go down. Now, let me show you on one of the slowest stocks. What it was said about ITC was there was a lot of memes, jokes made cut on ITCs. Now, let's go back and see in last 1 year. So this is, we go and see it out here. This is January 20, this is Jan 2022. This is September 2020, August 2021. Entry level was 210.35 and exit is 236.55. 26 rupees gain, almost 13%. You would have made a loss here. You would have made a loss of approximately 10 rupees here. But this would have almost ended up in a cost to cost. This also in a cost to cost. But see here, 233, 254, 21 rupees. Again here, you would have ended up in a loss here. Profit, 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 small loss. Profit, entry, exit is here. You would have been in the rally for almost whole of almost a year or maybe 6 months. Entry point was 269 and exit is 328, 60 rupees above. 20% return. Again, you would have entered at 333 and you're still in trade. Now let's check some stocks from whatever I have in the watch list, whether they are in a buy or a sell. We have till now only 2 stocks. One is Inox and Ambuja Cement. This is Ambuja Cement, first stock. Apollo Hospitals is another in a buy based on this setup. We don't have Ashok Leland, no Asian Paints, no Aurobindo, no Adani Wilmar. See Axis Bank. It's a huge move. Keep Balkrishna Industries in vision. We had a close above it, but the candle has closed below it. So if it again closes above the EMA, then it may give us an entry. Bank of Baroda already run. Bank Nifty is also running. This is Bharti Airtel, again a good move. BPCL not. See Can Bank. Even if it closed with a bigger candle above this, still it gave you a good run, 267 from 235, 30 rupees move. Again, check Castrol. The share, you would have entered somewhere around about 113. Made an high of 127, still above it. So you just sit into the stock. You don't exit it. CDSL is not a buy. Century is textile, as you have to wait for a green candle to form. You can yourself go and check about your stocks. See, Cummins India. Now we have a candle closing above the 50 MA. So now we have 3 stocks: IEX, Ambuja Cement, Apollo Hospital, and Cummins. Now we have 4 stocks with us. Excite. Now, if Excite forms another small green candle or a green candle tomorrow, it's an entry into the stock. Or you can just take it out here. It's still away from it, 158, and you can maximum keep a stop loss of 157.6. So less than a rupee stop loss. Gold is coming into buy. Gujarat Gas. Now you see it has given a buy signal here at 497. Now let's see how much it can give us in coming days. Cables is not a buy. HCL Tech, you see just on this setup. What a beautiful run it has given. Everybody was saying stay away from IT, stay away from IT. This, if you had followed 926 till almost 100 rupees run. HDFC forms a green candle tomorrow, will be also in a buy. HDFC Life Insurance we have in a buy. Hindustan Unilever is also in buy. You have ICICI Bank and buy. IGL is not, IX is not. Now see Indus Tower. It has formed a red candle after a breakout. If it forms a green candle, it will again come into buy. Inox we have already discussed. So this way you can go and check your stocks. Now you see Kotak Bank, a good run again. Capit, entry at 642 and you are still 70 rupees up. Approximately 12% return. Kaveri Seeds, your entry would have been at 445 and you are still sitting at 466. So any good stock you pick up, you will make money. See Lal Path Labs. LIC Housing Finance is a beautiful stock. Now you see what it has done. It has formed a green candle here. So now it has become as 5 stocks which have come on this setup for us. Keep an eye on M&M. If it forms a green candle above this red candle, it will be in a buy. Okay, now this Pfizer India. Pfizer India is also in buy. Power Grid, perfect. I personally feel so. This is a stock to watch for tomorrow. RBL Bank has also given you a good run. SBI card, no. SPIN already given a run. You can yourself check it out. You don't have to be dependent on any analyst. See, TCS. TCS is coming into buy, is in buy. Now is Tech Mahindra. You had a 2 green candles closing above the EMA. None of the red candles have gone below it. You can take a trade on a buy. This is now the 7th stock we have got it. Titan is in buy. You have Ultratech Cement in buy. Ambuja and Ultratech both are there. UPL, there is a news in UPL of 4,000 crores being invested by Dubai-based investors. So this stock may give a good run tomorrow. BEDL, we need a green candle to close. Waterbase, no. Okay, now we have done with the my checklist. So we have identified these stocks. I will say it in radar. You must see it, their movement for the next few days. So what are these stocks? To be kept in what? What was IEX? Inox. So these are the stocks which are potentially we have identified that they can give us a good run. So I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Please watch these stocks for the next 10 to 15 days and see whether this strategy works for you or not. Thank you, everybody. Wishing you a very happy Diwali and stay safe during Diwali times. Let's keep our pollution to the lower levels and God bless you all. Thank you.